What's up guys, and welcome to my first video in Shotgun Farmer Season 2. Way better than Season 1, might I add. Although most of the items you get in Shotgun Farmers are from playing in games, earning bucks, or grinding the cattle pass, some items you can only get through secret codes. A lot of people didn't even notice or realize that the enter code button was there, and the people that did most of the time didn't know any codes to put in. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys every single code so that you can unlock all the secret items in Shotgun Farmers. The first code in our list is a Bok Lego Star Wars PFP, which Quasi put in during 2020 when that trend was popular. The code is TikTok Bok, and you should put it in exactly how I do. This is what TikTok Bok looks like, really funny and a really good nod to the LEGO PFPs. The next code, similar to the first one, is another Star Wars PFP, but this time of Moo. The code is TikTok Moo, and once again put it in exactly how I do. This is what TikTok Moo looks like. Fun fact, these badges are the only circular ones in the whole game. Next up is TikTok Oink. This will give you the Pig Oink Oink LEGO Star Wars PFP. This is what TikTok Oink looks like. Next up is my favorite SF LEGO Star Wars PFP. This one is TikTok Nay. Type it in exactly like this. And this is what TikTok Nay looks like. I mean, it's just really funny seeing the horse look forward like that. It's a really funny PFP. The final Star Wars PFP is TikTok Ka, which is the Ka one. Type it in like this. And this is what TikTok Ka looks like. And these badges are the worst items in the whole list, and even then they're really funny and cool. Next up is the Marked for Greatness shovel, which is a bunch of markers stacked on top of each other like swords. I mean, we all did that in school. This was a secret code that the SF Twitter account released once they got a like goal, and it's really cool. This is probably a shovel that I use like a third of the time. The code for this is Mark It Up, 3 different letters, exactly how I spell it out, Mark It Up. Here it is right here, really cool. Like I say, I use this because of how slim it is. You get to see more of your screen, and it's also just like a really cool design. It's really unique to SF. Next up is the Zombear mask, a streamer that used to stream SF and who's on the stream team. Zombear, obviously. This one is a little tricky because the O in Zom is actually a 0. So make sure you type it in exactly like how I do with the 0. And this is what the Zombear mask looks like. Really cool. It looks like a zombie Care Bear. I know a lot of people use this in game even if they don't even know who the streamer is, just because it looks so cool. Similar to Zombear, the Drowning on Land head. Drowning on Land is another streamer who used to play the game and is on the stream team. The code for that is one word, Drowning on Land. Make sure you type it in like I do. And this is the Drowning on Land mask. Really cool. It's just a picture of his face with his iconic headband and headphones on. Next up is the Lasagna 666 hat. Lasagna was an old SF member who I think was the tourney winner and very special in the community at that time. So the code for this is one word, Lasagna 666. And here it is. You see it's a lasagna, delicious looking with little devil horns on the top. Next up are old skins. They used to be in the game before they were upgraded, and now you can only unlock them using the secret codes. The first code is Legacy Snowman. This is what the snowman skin used to look like before the 2020 Christmas event. So type it in exactly like this, one word, Legacy Snowman. This is what Legacy Snowman looks like. It's charming. I mean, it's just a texture on top of the regular farmer mesh, but that's what all the old suits were, so I mean, it's charming for what it is, but I'm glad it was upgraded. Next up is Legacy Santa. I actually really love this skin. You'll see why later. So the code is Legacy Santa, one word, like this. And this is what Legacy Santa looks like. I just think it's kind of clean. I know that it's just, once again, a texture on top of the regular old farmer mesh, but it just looks so clean, and obviously the new one is better, but the old one isn't bad, and if you want to rock that, not a lot of people are doing it. Next up is Legacy Bunny. This is one that my friend Birdy rocks. You can go subscribe to him. This one never got an upgrade, but it was still cast away to the secret codes. It was probably replaced by the Bunzy uniform, the pink one. It's really clean. I can definitely see why my friend Birdy does it. So the code is Legacy Bunny, one word, exactly like this. And this is what it looks like. Super clean, especially if you pair it with the ears, which I'm not even sure how you unlock the ears. With the other ones, it's still really outdated, but pretty clean. This one's actually fairly recent. It got replaced with the 2023 2.0 update, where the old farmer model was replaced with a new, brand new, really cool looking farmer model. Before the 2.0 update, the original farmer outfit was just a texture, and now it's actually super detailed and no longer just a texture on top of the regular farmer model. There's no reason to wear this one, but Quasi just put it in because he doesn't want to outright delete any outfits. This one is called Legacy Farmer, just like this. And this is what it looks like. Not a bad outfit because it was in game for so many years until just recently where it was replaced, but I can definitely see why it was replaced. The last code on our list is another badge. It was a sort of crossover or reference to the game Freedom Finger, and that's what the code is, Freedom Finger spelled just like this with no spaces. Back in 2020, Quasi and the dev of Freedom Finger were friends, so that's why he put it in game. And this is what it looks like. Actually pretty sick, and I don't see a lot of people wearing this one. Personally, I actually didn't have a couple of these items, like the Freedom Finger badge. I hope you guys enjoy all these secret items because they're free. All you gotta do is type in the code. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on the bell for some of my future videos. I'm going to be making a ton of Season 2 videos because the update just came out and the update is amazing. And I'll be sure to update the list and make another video if new secret codes are added to the game. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!